In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and restore deleted events in Google Calendar. This is a handy guide for those moments when something accidentally disappears from your calendar and you need to get it back quickly. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Calendar on your desktop. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand panel and locate the gear icon, which is often synonymous with settings. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you want to select Trash. If you're having trouble finding the gear icon or the trash option, make sure to expand the left sidebar completely. Sometimes these options can be hidden until you do so. Now that you're in the trash, you'll notice a list of your deleted events that pertain to the selected calendar. One crucial point to remember is that events remain in the trash for 30 days. After this period, they are permanently erased, so it's important to act within this time frame if you're hoping to recover something. If you're looking to restore a deleted event, you can do so easily while you're still in the trash view. It starts by locating the specific event you want to recover. Hover your cursor over that event and you'll see an arrow icon appear. This is your restore option. Clicking this will send the event back to its original date and time on your calendar, neatly returning everything to exactly where it should be. And if you've discovered multiple events that need restoring, you aren't limited to doing them one by one. You can certainly select several at once and use the restore option for a batch operation. This is particularly useful if you've recently carried out a major cleanup and want to quickly bring back a few items. There you have it, a clear and straightforward way to view and restore deleted events in your Google Calendar. This feature is a lifesaver for maintaining the integrity of your schedule and ensuring that no important details are permanently lost. Remember to check the trash regularly if you think you might have missing events, and keep an eye on that 30-day window. With this newfound knowledge, you're well equipped to handle accidental deletions and keep your calendar accurate and up to date. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks on managing your digital life efficiently.